Today, I'll show you how to add a button in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're looking to enhance your PDF with interactive elements or streamline user interaction, adding a button can be an incredibly useful feature. All you need is Adobe Acrobat, a PDF, and a few minutes of your time. First, let's open your PDF. This is the document where you want to add your button. Once you have your PDF open in Adobe Acrobat, you'll want to navigate to the Edit pane. This is usually found in the main toolbar at the top of your screen. From the Edit pane, look for the option labeled Prepare Form. Go ahead and select that. This will put you into a mode where you can make interactive elements like buttons and forms part of your PDF. Next, focus your attention on the secondary toolbar. Here, you'll find an icon that looks like a button and is labeled OK. Click on this button icon. By doing so, you're telling Adobe Acrobat that you want to create a button field in your PDF. Now it's time to decide where on the page you'd like your button to appear. Click directly on the page to place it. Don't worry if the button isn't the perfect size right away. You can adjust it by dragging the corners of the button field to resize it until it looks just right. This flexibility allows you to fit the button naturally into your document's design without disrupting the layout. Once you've positioned and sized your button, you'll need to give it a name. This is an important step because the name helps identify the button's purpose, especially if you're going to have multiple buttons on your PDF. In the yellow box that appears, enter a clear, descriptive name for your button. For instance, you might call it Submit Button if it's meant to submit form data. A clear name will make it easier to manage your buttons, especially if you plan to add more interactive elements later on. And that's it. You now know how to add a button in Adobe Acrobat. This simple process can make your PDFs more dynamic and user-friendly. Remember, you can always go back and edit the button if you need to make changes. As you become more familiar with Adobe Acrobat's tools, you'll find even more ways to enhance your documents with interactive features. Thanks for following along and happy editing.